Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some beer brats with a tangy Midwest slaw. All right, let's make the marinade for the brats. What you want to do is, in a bowl, add about 12 ounces of your favorite beer. And now you want to get 4 cloves of garlic and mince them up. And followed by a tablespoon of paprika. And then you want to add 3 tablespoons of steak sauce. Then you also want to add to this either about a teaspoon and a half of onion powder, or just grab a medium onion and coarsely chop it. And that's really it. Then you just want to grab a whisk and mix this all around. Grab some bratwurst and poke some holes in them with a fork. Once that's done, you want to put the brats in a bag, pour the marinade over, squeeze out as much air as you possibly can, and then you want to marinate this in the fridge from anywhere from 6 to 24 hours. All right, they're going to hang out in the fridge. Okay, now let us move on to the making of the slaw. So the first thing we got to do is make a dressing for it. So, to a bowl, we're going to add a third of a cup of mayonnaise. And first set of spices we want to grab is a little bit of salt and some pepper. Followed by a tablespoon of pickle juice. Followed by a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And then we want to add a quarter teaspoon of celery seeds. And then just a little bit of hot sauce to this. And the brand doesn't really matter. Use whatever hot sauce you happen to have on hand. Then just grab a whisk and whisk this up until everything is incorporated. Then add your bag of coleslaw. You can find pre-bagged coleslaw in pretty much any grocery store, Target, Walmart. And just mix this around till everything is covered. And then once that's done, put some clear film, saran wrap, whatever you want to call it. Pull that over it, and then pop it in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. All right, now we have our brats on the grill. The ones on the left are the ones I marinated. The ones on the right are just some standard bacon and cheddar brats. All right, give them about, till it's time to bring them in, which is 160 internal. And, okay, we got our buns. I will admit, I did forget to toast them, but sue me. We've got our 2 little old brats here. And then you just want to add some of that coleslaw that we made up to both of these. And that's really it. Beer brats with a tangy Midwest slaw. Done.